nice guy. You are in the restaurant and you really like waiter who's serving your tasty nasi goreng, let's say, or bintang, and you wanna, flirt a little bit on her. You can say
2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt?
Yo, what's up?
Yay! So now we are in Legian actually, and then as usual we just wanna have a chill out
Chill out,
and then enjoy sunset. So we
Coffee.
are in Azul Beach Club today. This is our favorite place whenever we are in Legian.
Yeah, and today we're gonna teach you guys. Winnie gonna teach me, but however, this is like a tutorial, little bit. 20 top must-know words in Bahasa Indonesia, which is in Indonesian language. Whenever you travel to Bali or in other parts of Indonesia, you should know it. So that's, I hope so, will be interesting and little bit different vlog than usual. However, we do daily vlog every day at 7 p.m. It's something new, so you should consider to subscribe. And yeah, let's go. We have prepared 20 words for you guys, and we'll see.
Alright, so whenever you come to Bali, Indonesia, the first time that people will ask you, whenever they greet you, and then they just want to asking how you are. So in English maybe we know that how are you, but in Bahasa Indonesia people will ask you, halo, apa kabar?
Hello.
Can you say
Hello.
that?
Yeah, that's easy actually. Hello, apa kabar?
Oh,
Nice,
apa
yeah?
kabar? Yes, apa kabar? So I know that mostly that Bahasa Indonesia, is really easy to speak. If you can speak English, I think that you speak Bahasa is just like the easy one. Okay, so that's the first word. Halo, apa kabar? So it means that hi, how are you?
Okay. What will be next, honey?
Okay, so
We prepared some lists, so we were cheating a little bit. But yeah,
Alright.
that's how it is. That's how we do the vlogs, by the way. Yeah.
Okay, so alright. So after you greet people in Bahasa Indonesia, mostly that all over the world they know that how you would like to say thank you. In English, thank you. So in Bahasa Indonesia is Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
See? It's
Easy.
Bahasa Indonesia is very easy. He's a fast learner actually. Yes, terima kasih.
Terima kasih or terima kasih or terima kasih.
And the short one is makasih.
Makasih. Very easy. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so that's it. And next, okay, whenever you say something like apology, say sorry, you wanna say I'm sorry or something like that, you can say maaf. Maaf.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Maaf.
Maaf.
This is actually funny because when you write this, it's like M-A-A-F, so it's like maaf, but it's actually maaf, so you have to remember. Yeah, but it's still very easy.
Easy, right? Bahasa Indonesia is easy. So the third one is maaf. Right, next.
Alright.
Okay, you already say apologize, and then when you get lost in Bali and then you wanna ask where is it in English, but in Bahasa Indonesia you will say Dimana.
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 Dimana. Very easy.
Easy, right? So Dimana, where is it? Dimana. Okay, so next I need to have a drink first. Okay, some people will ask you like in English, what's your name?
Basically everywhere, wherever you're
your
gonna
name?
meet someone local, first thing they will ask you what's your name. And
So what's your name in Bahasa Indonesia is siapa namamu?
siapa namamu?
Siapa namamu
like
Easy, very easy,
like
right?
a moo, like a cow.
Siapa namamu? Not moo like cows. Siapa namamu? What's your name? And then you will answer, my name is namaku, nama saya Winnie. Nama kamu siapa? Nama kamu?
Nama saya Damian.
It's very easy, right? So
Very
bahasa
easy.
Indonesia is
By the way,
very
I
easy.
don't speak Bahasa too much, so it's not as I'm just playing. She teach me how to speak now. I'm just repeat what she said.
Okay, and then the first time whenever you come to Bali and people will ask you where you are from, so like they will ask you where are you from? Kamu asal dari mana? Say it.
Kamu what? That's actually difficult.
Kamu asal dari mana? Kamu dari mana?
Kamu dari mana?
Where are you from? And then you will say that, oh, I'm from Bali. Like you will answer like, saya dari Bali. Where are you from?
I will say saya dari Poland or Polandia actually.
Yes. Okay, saya dari Polandia. Good job.
A little bit more
Good job.
difficult, but still very easy.
Good job. Very good job. All right. First of all, I would say first of all, if you find nice girl in Bali,
If you find that's true, I should maybe say, if you find a nice guy, you are in the restaurant and you really like waiter who's serving your tasty nasi goreng, let's say, or bintang, and you wanna, flirt a little bit on her, you can say,
hello, cantik.
hello, cantik. So that's mean hello, beautiful. This is like a normal thing in Western countries. However, maybe you don't do it in the shop, because if you go to the local shop and the girl is mostly from Java, the culture is a little bit different. She may be not really happy. However, in the bar or the restaurant, you can easily go and come hello, chanting, and you will see her beautiful smile on her face. That's 100% guarantee that.
Yeah, so it's very easy.
However, if you are a lady and you wanna do the same thing to the handsome guy, there's also a lot of handsome guys in Bali, you can say,
hello, ganteng. Say,
hello, ganteng.
hello, ganteng. So
Like
do you think
me,
that he's ganteng?
The better comment, yes. Otherwise,
hello, ganteng.
yeah, so,
Hi, ganteng.
yeah, so chantik and ganteng, that's two flirting words, very important. However, you can say that if you are just nice to the person anyway, it
Yeah.
should be fine.
Yeah. All right. So next one.
And we'll be also, let's say we are like together and we are couple and you wanna say like hello honey or my love or something like that, you can say, and you probably hear that many times I'm calling to Winnie that is word
Sayang.
sayang. And you will laugh
honey.
probably, but
Like, you call your special. So especially like whenever you wanna call someone special, you can call him or her sayang.
sayang. Very easy. But by the way, never try to say that first time to the waiter in the restaurant. That's little bit too far. However, chantik is great.
All right. And then the next tip is whenever you go shopping, either in the shop, in the market, and then you wanna ask about the price, you can ask, how much. In bahasa Indonesia, you ask how much. Berapa harganya? Or just simply berapa.
Berapa harganya? Or simply berapa? Very easy.
Bahasa
Mostly,
Indonesia is very
actually, from my experience, not many people will ask berapa harganya, just berapa.
But just berapa.
Sometimes even harga is okay. They will understand.
And
Just
if-
remember these two words, very important.
Yeah, and then if the price is super expensive for you, you can say, ooh, mahal.
That's my favorite
Mahal.
word. That's my favorite word. Mahal. Very easy.
And you wanna try to bargain in the shop, you can say boleh kurang.
Boleh kurang.
Oh wow, you're
Very
very
easy.
smart. It's very easy. Boleh kurang, it means like, can you get a cheaper one? Something like that. So before you already learn about how you bargain in the shop, and then how you ask about the price is expensive, or you know saying that how much is it. So now, if you already deal with the shop and then you want to say that you want to buy it, in English just you say I want to buy it. In bahasa Indonesia you can say aku mau beli. Say it.
Apa?
Aku mau beli.
Aku mau beli.
See, very easy. It's
very easy actually. It's very Bahasa Indonesia, Indonesian language is actually very easy language, and some people think as you can learn, maybe not fluently, but very well in 6 months of learning. However, I'm just lazy person, so yeah. But if you want, you can do it, especially if you are smart to the languages.
Yeah, it's very easy because of like the vowel and the consonants. It's very easy to say, It's different than Thai language. I know that Thai language may be quite different.
Because also
bahasa
different
Indonesia,
letters and everything is Thai language, and Chinese, especially Korean, Taiwanese language will be very difficult, but the Indonesian, same like Filipino language, will be very easy. Malaysian, Bahasa Malay actually is very similar.
Yes. So what's the next word then you want to
I
learn?
want to go. Let's say you wanna go somewhere for the trip, or you wanna go, I don't know, to the club.
Oh, okay. So you want to say something like I want to go somewhere.
To the taxi driver.
Oh yeah, to the taxi driver you can say aku mau pergi ke somewhere. Aku mau pergi ke somewhere.
Aku mau pergi.
Let's say aku mau pergi ke Sanur. Say it.
Aku mau pergi ke Sanur. That's correct.
Easy, right? Yes, correct.
Aku mau pergi ke Sanur.
Aku mau pergi ke Sanur.
Very
right.
easy.
So, what's the next one?
Now we will go a little bit into the food. Everybody coming to Indonesia, you should try the local food. That's actually, if you go to the restaurant, you will have a mostly English menu and sometimes even the pictures. However, if you want to try the more local street food, especially when the vendors, they don't really speak English, especially outside Bali, that's very common thing. The 4 things what you should know is fish, chicken, pork and beef. And so the fish will be
Ikan.
Fish will be ikan, very easy. Just
See, right?
4 letters, ikan. And then will it be the chicken?
Ayam.
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 Very easy, ayam. Also only 4 letters. Then gonna be beef.
Sapi.
Sapi, also 4 letters, I don't know. So easy, food is very easy. Sapi.
So,
And then gonna be your favorite one, pork.
babi.
And it's also 4 letters. Babi. By the way,
very easy.
if you are in Indonesia, you wanna try in Bali, not in Indonesia, but in Bali especially, you wanna try the traditional food, which is babi guling, which is suckling pig. You already know babi, and guling is suckling or roast, whatever.
Yeah. So very easy. Very easy words.
Very easy words, and And the next thing will be see you later. If you already talk, have a wee chat with someone, or maybe with the chanting girl, and you wanna say see you later. However, Keanu Reeves and John Wick, very nice movie. If you watched, he said this sequence after the fighting, very strong movie. Winnie used to cry a little bit. However, I love it. Very nice movie. And he said what?
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa. Very easy also.
Very easy. Bahasa Indonesia is very easy. So, one suggestion with me, for me, I mean like for you guys, one suggestion. If you don't know how to speak Bahasa Indonesia, even nowadays, so many Google Translate, just check it.
Yeah,
Google.
actually, this is about 20 the most important words in Bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah.
What you just should know, it's very handy to know. However, if you don't speak or you are lazy like me, whatever, English is very popular language in Bali, but if you're gonna travel outside, you will find the difficulties. However, now you just have a smartphone, use the Google Translate. You have option, even you can make a just camera show to the words if you don't understand, will be translate quite well. Sometimes make a mistakes, but it's fine. I saw mostly Japanese and Chinese people do like this in Bali, and they are actually communicating very well. So it's also very good tip.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, if you wanna have the same version of the tutorial, but in Bahasa Bali, which is the Balinese language where Winnie is coming from, she can teach you. I think it will be a little bit more interesting, especially if you're willing to come to Bali, because you wanna impress to the Balinese girl and start talking to her Balinese. It's pretty big chance it will be easier to be your future wife. I hope so.
Yeah, because
I don't take any responsibility. I'm not taking any responsibility that she will be your wife. However, you can impress her for sure.
Yeah, it's really good if you can say some of the words in in Balinese language, right? So if you would like to learn more about Balinese language, please comment, and then you can ask many questions about the Balinese language in our video.
Yeah.
Why do you still hurt? Who's wrong and who's right? I cannot decide, 'cause I'm sober tonight. I cannot escape. I'm here till it breaks. Oh, how my heart aches. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
Alright, after the teaching a few Indonesian words, very important by the way, we decided to have a little bit, we walk on the beach, Legian beach over here. And
Yeah, it's always nice to, going out and
yeah. And
learn
it's-
at the same time.
And it's also very good if you're coming to Bali, especially for the first time, if you're gonna know at least few words in Bahasa Indonesia, which is Indonesian language, and will be also even better if you're gonna speak few words in Bali language, which is if you want, we can make us part 2 of this video in the future. Comment below. Don't forget to comment, very important. Like, share and subscribe, of course.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today. Thank you that you guys already watched our tutorial video about how to speak Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian language for the beginner. I mean, for those who never been to Bali, Indonesia. So I think this video is really good and really important for you.
Yeah, and
Please
for
share and share.
and for every travelers who the borders will be open in the near future, hopefully.
Yes.
And if you're trying to come for the first time, just watch the video. Basically, you already watched if you're still.
Alright, so thank you for watching, guys, and see ya.
See you tomorrow.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa, guys. See ya.
Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me.